Giraffe occasionally runs limited-time promotions, but a weekend bonus is only real if it appears inside your account or is officially announced by the app. By the end of this video, you'll know how to verify whether a weekend bonus is legitimate and how to avoid wasting time on fake offers. The first place to check is inside the Giraffe app itself. Open the app and look for banners, special events, or limited-time challenges on the home screen or rewards page. If there's an active weekend promotion, that's where you'll usually see the details, including any eligibility requirements and the games or tasks that qualify. Next, check whether the promotion has any conditions attached. Some bonuses only apply to newly installed games, while others may require you to start a featured offer during the promotional period. If you continue playing an older game that isn't included, you may not receive any extra rewards even though the promotion is active. Be careful with claims you see on social media, forums, or random websites. A screenshot showing someone else's bonus doesn't mean the same promotion is available to every user. Reward campaigns are sometimes rolled out to specific accounts, regions, or groups of users. Unless the offer appears in your own Giraffe account or comes from an official source, don't assume you'll receive it. If you think you qualified for a weekend bonus but didn't get the extra rewards, start by confirming that you completed the required tasks during the promotional period. Then restart the app and allow it to sync your progress. If the bonus still doesn't appear, contact Giraffe support and include screenshots of the promotion, if available, along with any relevant reward information. That gives the support team the details they need to review your account. Another good habit is enabling notifications if you don't want to miss future promotions. Giraffe may use in-app notifications or announcements to highlight new reward opportunities, and checking the app before starting a gaming session can help you avoid completing tasks before activating an eligible offer. The bottom line is simple. A Giraffe weekend bonus can be real, but only when it's officially offered to your account. Always verify the promotion inside the app, read the eligibility requirements before participating, and keep records if you need to contact support. That approach helps you avoid fake promotions and make sure your eligible rewards are credited correctly. If this guide helped, leave a like and subscribe for more Giraffe tips, updates, and troubleshooting videos.